Hello, learners. Today, I will show you how to create virtual environment for your machine learning or data science project in local system. So at first, I will show you how to create a directory with the help of CMD for this purpose. So go to your search bar and type CMD, press enter. You will see the command prompt. Then I will create a directory in my D drive. So type D drive, press enter. Now I'm in my D drive. I wanted to find my directory where I wanted to create my new directory. So just type directory, is enter, then you will see the directory present in this folder. Now I copy this folder name and type cd, then paste the copied folder name, and press enter. And you can see that we are in the directory which we wanted to create a new directory. Next, I wanted to make directory for new project. Just type mk directory, make directory, and my new project name is suppose test directory. Then press enter. Test already exists. Okay, fine. I'm trying to make directory with a different name, like test final, like test final. Okay, then press enter. Okay, my new directory is created. Just copy the name and type cd, paste the directory name, press enter. Now I am in the test final directory. Okay. Now I will show the next process to create a virtual environment in our VS Code IDE. So just type code and type dot, then press enter. Then you will uh, be in VS Code, hopefully. Yes, now we are in our project folder uh, in VS Code IDE. Okay. Now I'll show you in this terminal, VS Code terminal, how to create a virtual environment. So now just upper left corner here is the terminal. Click on the terminal and click on the new terminal. So if you don't know how to download VS Code in your local system, I will upload another video for how to download VS Code in your local system. Okay, now here is the right corner of the terminal. Just you can see down arrow. Click on the down arrow, and you can now see different options. Now I wanted to use command prompt for this purpose. So here are other options too, but in this case, I wanted to use this command prompt section. Click on the command prompt. Then in this case, you will see that I am in the D drive under the folder MLCB GNI projects, and my folder is test final. Now I wanted to create virtual environment in this folder for my project purpose. Okay, just type Funda It is important to Minikunda or Anaconda installed in your device. So I have already uploaded how to install Minikunda in your local system in my playlist. So hopefully you will watch this video later. Okay. Now just type Kunda create minus p VNB. So my virtual environment name is VNB, and I wanted to uh, I wanted to create this virtual environment in 3.10 Python version. Then type hyphen y. This hyphen y later will help you to proceed this without any laggings or without any laggings. Just type enter. Now the process is starting for creating our virtual environment named VNV. Wait for some times. Okay, after a few moments, you will see that our virtual environment is being created. Here it will show a BNB directory. Okay. Now you have to activate this virtual environment. So for this, type Kunda activate BNB slash. Okay. Or you can just copy this line and paste in the command prompt. Next, just press enter. Okay, we are on the virtual environment of our project directory. Now you can use this virtual environment for your project. Thanks for watching.